Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to place for expert beauty insights. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your skincare routine at home or in a professional setting. The Winado 2-in-1 Facial Steamer with 5x Magnification Light. This tool is designed to provide deep cleaning and hydration with a professional touch. But how does it hold up in real-world use? Let's find out. The Winado Facial Steamer is a multifunctional beauty tool that combines a powerful steam mist with a magnifying light, offering a complete facial care experience. It operates by producing ionic ozone mixed with steam, which helps moisturize the skin and improve overall texture. It's suitable for all skin types, targeting common skin issues like dryness and oiliness. This product is equipped with adjustable casters that allow for easy mobility, making it versatile for both home and salon use. The 5x magnifying light provides enhanced visibility to examine your skin more closely, so you can address specific concerns with precision. And assembly is straightforward. Just a few simple steps, and you're ready to start your spa-like treatment. Now let's talk about my real-world testing. Setting up the steamer was a breeze. Everything clicked into place without hassle, and the instructions were clear. The adjustable height and angle of the magnifying lamp made it easy to customize the setup to my needs. I used the steamer in a quiet, personal skincare routine, and I was impressed by how quickly it produced steam. The ozone-enriched mist left my skin feeling deeply hydrated without overwhelming my senses, and I could easily feel a difference in skin texture after each use. However, the steam tends to dissipate quickly, so I had to work a little faster than I would have liked to ensure I was getting the full benefit from each session. Let's move on to the pros and cons of the Winado Facial Steamer. On the plus side, the steamer's ionic ozone steam really does improve skin texture over time, especially for those struggling with dryness. The 5x magnifying light is a game changer for pinpointing problem areas and ensuring you're addressing all the details. I also loved the flexibility of the adjustable height and the smooth rolling casters, which made it easy to move around and use in different settings. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The steam dissipates faster than expected, so if you're not quick with your routine, you may not get the full impact of the steam. While the magnifying light is useful, I found that the brightness wasn't as consistent as I had hoped. Some may also find the unit a bit bulky for home use, especially if you're tight on space. So, is it worth the investment? The Winado Facial Steamer is priced in the mid-range for similar products, which I believe is a fair reflection of its performance. It delivers a solid facial spa experience with the added convenience of mobility and adjustable settings. If you're a beauty enthusiast or own a small salon, this could be a great addition to your collection. For the price, it performs admirably, but if you're looking for something with longer-lasting steam or a more compact design, there may be more suitable options. When comparing it to other professional-grade facial steamers, the Winado holds up reasonably well. For example, some more expensive models might offer longer-lasting steam or more robust features, but those often come with a higher price tag. The Winado stands out with its versatility, especially with the adjustable height and magnifying light, which are not always found in similar products at this price point. As for the build quality, the materials feel durable, and the assembly was seamless, so I expect it to hold up over time with regular use. It's clear that Winado put thought into the construction, and as though I wouldn't call it indestructible, it's not a product that will withstand rough handling, but should be fine with proper care. In terms of customer support, I didn't have any direct interactions with Winado's support team, but based on the product's construction and ease of use, it seems to be a reputable brand in the beauty space. It's always worth checking for reviews or any after-sales service details though. Now, if you're on the fence, there are more affordable alternatives out there. Some basic facial steamers might not have the ozone feature, but will still deliver a solid steam treatment. Just keep in mind, they might lack the added functionality, like the adjustable lamp, which sets the Winado apart. In conclusion, the Winado 2-in-1 Facial Steamer with 5x Magnification Light delivers a solid facial steaming experience for those who want to upgrade their skincare routine. Its combination of deep moisturizing and the magnifying light is ideal for personal use or small beauty setups. While it does have a few minor drawbacks, it remains a well-rounded option for those who want professional level care at home. If you found this review helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other skincare enthusiasts can also benefit from this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any thoughts or questions about the product, drop them in the comments below. You can also find the link to get the Winado Facial Steamer there. Goodbye till next time, and remember, keep your beauty routine as glowing as your spirit, right here on Beautyistic.